Okay, so now that you're logged in, it'll take you to the Google Analytics sign up page. And a pretty simple step here. You just hit sign up. And here it will ask you to choose which section you want to do. I like to kind of do the new one. Looks like this is in a beta test, but you get a lot more green checks there. And all they want to know now is some website information of which website you want to track. So I come back to my campaign, and we'll actually close this window for right now. And I'm going to grab this link right here, and we'll copy that. And we'll go back to our Google Analytics, and I'll paste that right here. And make sure to take out the HTTP, just like that. And so that's the site that I want them to track. Okay, and I'll just put Justin's site. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. So we just come down here and we click, an industry. I'll say internet and online communities for this one. And it'll ask you for your time zone, but it should read where your computer's at. And down here, you just want to set up your account name. Again, I'll just say Justin Sites. And I usually leave these all checked because Google likes to kind of help you out with stuff. It's nice to get emails. And all you have to do is right down here, click Get Tracking ID. And then it pops up a box that says you have to accept the terms and conditions. So say I accept. And you just wait 1 second and you'll get your tracking ID. And there's the code that we need right here. This is your tracking code. Copy and paste the code into every page you want to track. So all you got to do is grab the code, right click and copy, go back to your MonsterCash campaign, go to Google, and when this comes up, all you have to do is paste the code right there. And then once you paste the code, you just hit Add Script. And you'll see it says Google Analytics code updated. So that's as easy as that. So now you can go back to your Google Analytics and we can go to reporting. And this will show you how Google Analytics works. It's really, really neat. All the visits, page views, unique visits, page visits, bounce rates, everything's in here. You'll see a graph here that'll go up and down on a daily basis, and obviously you want it to keep going up. That's the best way to go. Demographics, you can see which which language that your traffic is coming from. You can where your traffic is coming from, mobile, where it's what kind of behavior as far as new versus returning, location. So you can really look at where all your leads are coming from around the world. So here you go, and it'll show you little different colors, if they're coming from Alaska or America or anywhere around the world. So it's really fun. And one more thing I want to point out here is you can also look at real time, and real time is also a really fun thing to do. I do this quite a bit. If somebody's actually on your site, it'll say 1. If you have 4 or 5 people on your site at one time, usually right after you post your link and maybe put it into your social media, you'll see 3 or 4 or 5 people looking at your site, and you can see where they're coming from around the whole world. So Google Analytics is a lot of fun. Remember, it's very easy to do. Once you sign up, you post your script in here, and you hit Update Script, and it'll say Google Analytics code updated, and that's all you have to do to hook your MonsterCash campaign into Google Analytics. So enjoy it. It's a lot of fun, and we'll see you on the next video.